Hey everybody, welcome back to another Trackhoe Tuesday. We hope you had a great week. Today, JD loaded up the excavator and he attached a post hole driver attachment. This attachment allows him to pound fence posts into the ground. He doesn't have to use an auger, which makes a lot of mess. And I have Mikey here today to help me narrate.
We have the fence posts all lined up. Warning, this is going to be really loud. You can feel vibration in the ground. One post in, ready to go. JD, give us a close-up view. Two in, 72 to go. It's so good to have a dog helper. His name is Lou. JD, are you going to smile for us? You, JD. Watch out, there's a stubborn chipmunk. JD calls him Charlie. So bumpy, working the post driver. Even though we're working, there is still time for fun. Whee! Good thing my mom is not here. Maybe she will probably get a migraine. Oh, hey there, Charlie. Wonder what the neighbors think of this job. Hey Lou, it looks like you're not working really hard. More noise. I wonder what the post hole driver sees when we do these jobs. And the poor posts, they get smashed. Still more posts.
Another job, all done. All the fence posts are in. And thanks, Mikey, for your help. Thanks for joining us on another Trackhoe Tuesday. Hope to see you again next week. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss our weekly videos.